Hope so you guys are doing well. In this video update, we'll be definitely talking about BTC. So if you guys are new in this channel, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell icon if you guys are not in my Discord. The link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. First of all, I'm not doing very well. I literally have a very sore throat, cough, and many other things like I have a body hack, headache, and different stuff. I'm not feeling well, but I hope so you guys understand, and I hope so you will continue and you will just stay with my plan. Simple as this. So guys, on 15th of October on my Discord and on my Twitter, I told you guys when we got a rejection right here, a lot of guys were short here or shorting this area. I was small scalp short out. If you guys remember, I shorted here, I longed here. This was a small stop, like $1,200 move, and this trade was already a slow margin trade which I took in the premium Discord. But a lot of guys were shorting this area. I have mentioned that we will push the price to the upside. Why I said this area and why this area is acting as a very good resistance, I will tell you. So we got a push to the upside, and I shorted this area. Simple as this. And if I cough in this update, guys, don't unsubscribe my channel, because everything I'm doing is all for you guys. So this is where I shorted, and right here I took my profits, and I've already mentioned, if you focus or if you go to my Twitter, I've shared this short position. This was my first TP. You guys can exactly see this, that my first TP is hit right here. This was a short position, and this was the trade. So I took my first TP here. I took my first TP here, and then it got into entry zone. But it's still like it went above. But if you focus overall above my entry, we are not seeing much of the price action. So we are getting a rejection again and again. So I'm taking a small chance here. But I can, if I see, I'm still seeing a lot of weakness. Like the price is showing a lot of strength. If you focus overall, the price is trying to hold above, right? So why I am taking a chance? Because if you guys have took this trade with me, shorted here, first TP here, and then when the price went up around the entry, I closed another half of my trade. So I'm in within this trade with like almost 25%. So first TP here, when it went up, I closed half of my trade here. So almost 75% of the trade is closed, and my trade is already, if it hit the stop loss, we don't care, because I'm in with only 25%, and I have secured a good amount of profits right here. This move was exactly from 67.7k all the way up to 65.3k. So it was a big move. But this SL is from 67.7k all the way up to almost $1,300. And look at this big take profit area. So it's very simple. If you guys are not into this thing, I will personally not recommend to get into some sort of a short position, because BTC is showing some strength, and respect the pump, right? Now let's focus on the trend. This was the trend I showed you guys, and nobody trusted, but here we are making money with this trend. We went up, lower high, but this is the higher low. We need to break this to maintain this higher low. We broke this higher high. We must hold this to maintain the uptrend, higher low. We must break this to maintain an uptrend, higher high. Do you guys understand? If it breaks to the downside from here, then 63k would be an important zone. 63 would be an important zone to mention this higher low, because we should not break below 59k now, because this expansion will not be enough to prove it, right? So I mentioned that how you can manage your trade. Either you can wait for 63k, or either if you are with me within this trade, you are risk free, you can take a chance, or either if you don't want to risk a trade, you guys can definitely wait for the dump You guys can exactly say this. After this big dump, do you see this demand? BTC showing a lot of strength, guys, so you should respect this. So this higher low